For our final stop, we end up at the Tom Devlin's Monster Museum. Let's go.
Really weird, but I'm going to start this video out in their restroom here at the Tom Devlin Monster Museum because, first of all, the flooring above the toilet, red rum, and then the twins. Yikes. I guess I'll be the only one touring. So here we go.
No, down in the hallway.
Oh, okay. Here we go. I'm taking this tour by myself. A screen used coffin. That is also screen used. Nice. All those are screen used. You guys scared me. Oh, Freddy. Oh, that's really cool. Yeah. Michael Myers. No. And Crystal Bay. Oh, cool. All of them. Whoa. Dark in here to see all of them. Oh, they're really cool. Ah, the leprechaun. Leprechaun. Oh, now we're getting into the fun ones. Pennywise. Killer clowns. The Wheaties. Critters. I remember that movie. Screen used. Oh, I remember this. I remember this movie. I can't remember the name of it. I'll have to put it in here because that's a really scary where the dolls come alive on the longest night. Mega Piranha. I mean, Tom Devlin he's made a ton of movies. Look at that, the werewolves. Just movie makeup and masks it's just really neat. I'm gonna have to look up some of these movies because traumas. I haven't seen that one, but I have seen Five Nights at Freddy's and Planet of the Apes, and of course The Exorcist. And isn't this movie like Sam or something like that? I'll have to put it in right here. The Toxic Avenger. I mean, just, it's movie history, you know? Really neat. Oh, here we got some the monsters, Herman and Eddie, right? Oh, they've got signatures on the wall plaque. Old lighting system. And here, the creature from the Black Lagoon. And Beetlejuice. Yep, that's Beetlejuice. Won't catch me saying it 3 times. Right down and get you. Oh, the Creep Show. The Creep Show. And Nosferatu. The original Dracula. Not sure what movie they're showing.
How you feeling about this?
What does it say? The making of the Planet of Apes. It's hard to see on the camera. That's really cool.
This is alginate. Prosthetic grade.
Unfortunately, I don't have time to sit and watch the movie.
Is
hard to see some stuff.
Whether you're a die-hard horror fan or simply looking for a unique and entertaining experience near Las Vegas, Tom Devlin's Monster Museum offers an unforgettable journey into the world of movie monsters and special effects artistry. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.